fixing to start that cackle fest. 2 of them, side by side.
Gonna dry out enough where I ain't got to run you?
It's gonna dry out enough to get smoked. Somebody go
We're gonna see who's gonna get smoked.
I know something. All I say is catch up.
Look. He's behind the Honda already.
He's going left lane first. Hey, I don't care.
Jacob's going left lane. He's got bigger tires.
You know what that means? If I'm taking left lane first, they know who Daddy is.
He got 2,000.
Y'all hold on because the night it's already been sprinkling and it's gonna be a handful.
You showed me a while ago. I'm telling you.
Hopefully we can make this right here happen for y'all boys. We've been trying to do this for 2 weeks. Yeah. We've been trying to get it down for 2 weeks. So stay tuned.
We got it.
Who won? Hey, it usually has fuel with the cap off. I know. It did. No It'll look good. It still got a half a tank in it. Oh man, I hope that thing recorded right. Must have took off so hard it went back.
How'd it feel?
Oh, it felt great.
That's the first full pass in what, 13 years?
Yeah, first full pass in 13 years. It
It
felt
looked
like
good.
it run good.
It
He
blew-
had my time ticket. What
It blew the back of the intake gaskets out, didn't it?
Yeah.
That's what it blew.
Damn, it didn't leave all that hard.
What's it doing? It blew the back of the intake gasket out. Fix it. I don't know. I can try to get the oil coming up. The gasket's too bad.
All that oil run up the back of the motor. 530, 520 something, 528. I don't know, some cars when I talk to you wouldn't get a run that down.
You went 530, my car's crazy.
It don't matter, it still won. Damn. Hey, it ain't over with yet. You ain't won yet. We got more. Shut up. This ain't the best out of 1. This is the best out of 3.
He found the problem.
win without a car beside you.
Oh, yeah, we could have said the same damn thing last week. We could have said the same thing last week. No, whenever I fix this blower gasket, we're gonna come back. And you got one. I don't know if I can make it.
I'm gonna take the blower off.
Get your ass home and fix your car.
David, buy me the gasket.
Well, if I show up, make a pass and you ain't here, I win. There you go. That's what you just said. That's what he just said. He was
Hey, Danny, don't worry. Master mechanic will work on it.
Oh my
Again.
God. I run you in 2 weeks then.
Hey,
I knew.
our car runs fine off the
That's
gasket.
what I said.
Me and Hunter did a damn good job on the
He's got to
rebuild.
go camping. I don't know if he's going to make it next weekend.
Yep, I'll tear
He
this blower
might,
down.
though.
Little R&R.
Hold on.
Well, whenever I get back, whenever we make that pass, he's up 1, and I'm taking the next 2. You'll bet. Because I found the problem. It's got a blower gasket.
Yeah,
That's
there's
what it
his
was.
problem.
Yep, there it is.
That's his second problem. The first one he got beside the Honda.
Yeah. That's true.
Here you go. Blow the gasket out of it.
Yeah.
If it don't run good next weekend, I'll let Jason put the nitrous on a wide open trans brake.
You ain't got to worry about that. Y'all gonna be playing catch up
You
next
need to
week.
put
for
silicone
sure.
on it, not no damn gasket.
Let's put this shit up. I know good and well next week you'll be playing catch up.
What's
'cause I
this
know
right
what's
here?
wrong with it. That's
What's
my
this?
peel. I
You
was
said
checking.
you were camping.
Oh,
The pills were there later.
my-
Pills are on the battery.
Don't the
or
gas
something.
tank. Fuel tank.
yeah, I am gonna be camping. But if I have to get off from camping early to fix this to show Danny, I'm gonna show him.
I wanna see it.
This bitch
He
is
ain't
Y'all
gonna get
talking, I
off
wanna see it.
camping early.
You want me to go
This
up
is
the
the
back
problem.
It
there?
might
It don't have-
irritate
hey,
him all
it don't
week.
have a
He
pill
might
in
get
it.
off camping early.
I know. Let me hold it.
Don't ruin his vacation,
Hell, it done ruin it.
Nate,
He's gonna be out there on that water being like, damn, what did I do wrong?